India, our country. In that we studied which all parts we have. We have so many regions. Yes, mountain regions we have, northern mountains we have. Okay, we have what? We have everything. The part will be divided into the 5-6 types. Okay, we studied that all things. We did the exercise part also in the previous class. We'll move on to the next one in this class. Okay, before we start, we'll start with a short prayer, children. All of you close your eyes and repeat after me. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बो फलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, now we'll start with our chapter, children. In the previous class we did India, our country. What we did, children? India, our country. Yes, in that what all things we studied, children? In that we studied India, our country. We studied about the northern plain, plains we studied, mountains we studied. These all are what, children? These all are 6 natural regions. Okay, 6 natural regions. Okay, we just seen the what we say the short way of these all regions was just we told how many regions we have. But in this class we'll go on to the each regions and explain you what and where that region comes. Okay, the next one, the Great Indian Desert. Okay, the next one, the Southern Plateau. The next one, the Coastal Plain. Next one, the Iceland. Yes, these all are the 6 natural regions we studied in the first class, children. Now we'll go on and studying the one by one in this class. These are the different chapters. In your SST book, they explained you one by one and they mentioned that they are one chapter. They did that like that. Okay, we'll go on to the first one. That is the Northern Mountain. The next chapter, children. The next chapter is the Northern Mountains. Okay, we'll go on to that. The next chapter is Northern Mountains. Okay. Now, the mountains means you all know the big mountains. Okay. You all know that how it will be. The too much big it is. Yes. And there we get too much of rain also. We get too much of snow also. And we get too much of heat also there. Because it is too near to the sky. It is too near to the sun, too near to the sky, too near to the clouds, everything it will be too near. So we get too much of heat there, too much of snow there, too much of rain there. Okay, we get too much there. Everything will be too much only there. There, human beings surviving of human being is too less. They can't survive it easily. Only some people, some humans can live there. Okay, understood now? And they can live, but too little bit far from that all mountains. Okay, they got what habitat from that place. They got what habitat. Hanging now will habitat again. Andra, now we can't go out. If you go out, you can't settle there. You get what? You get irritated. That climate, that food, that place get irritated. So what we do? We stay here only like that. There also who all born there only, they can settle it easily. Settle there easily. Understand now? Now we'll move on to the next chapter. We'll start with that. They given us starting the general question. Fill in the blanks. What they told? Fill in the blanks. Himalaya means what? Himalaya means what? 3 rivers that begins in the Himalaya are dash dash dash. The highest peak in the world is dash. You have to search this, children, and tell me the answers. Okay, this is the general homework for you. Okay, will you do that? Yes, I know you all are good students. You will do what teachers will tell. Yes, and please watch full video, children. Don't cut it or don't do or forwarding. Don't do that and watch full video. Then only you will understand what homeworks teachers are giving and what thing they are explaining in the flow. If you watch it continuously, then only you will understand that teachers are telling in the flow. Okay? If you skip it or if you forward it, you will not understand what teachers are telling in the back and what teachers are continuing with that. Okay? Understood? Now, we'll start with our chapter. Have you been to the mountains? Anyone, have you been to the mountains? Yarigara got mountains igala hogire? Are you keen to attempt exciting outdoor activities that call for daring and determination? Yes? You know mountain climb highest peak they will reach it and they will they will put that our flag, national flag there. Yes, so many people did that. Okay, that is called as a daring and determination. What is that? Daring. They have to be too much of dare there to go there, because there we have too much of, I told you, they have too much, everything will be too much there. Rain also, heat also, and snow also, cold also, too much only. Okay, perhaps you could start with a trekking trip with your parents. Illappa ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Not big mountains we are telling, small mountains. What the level of our climbing capacity, depending on that, you also start doing that. Trekking. What is that called as a trekking? Yes, trekking ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ river ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ. We walk and go now with the difficulties. When we walk and go, that is called as a trekking. Okay, like that you also try to do that, children, with your parents guidance. Don't do with alone, don't go. Okay, in middle if anything happens, you can't get even a drop of water also there. Understood? Okay, then they given a picture there. See, map showing the northern mountains region of India. Okay, 207, children, open 207. In that they given a picture there. They showed that the northern mountains, the way it comes here, the upper side, where the Assam, Kashmir, there we see the mountains, the northern mountains, we see it there. Understood now? Where it comes on the up, the head part of our map. Head part of our map, it comes near the head part. Okay, now turn the page number 208, children. 208. We'll start with this. Now the new page. On the northern edge of India subcontinent lie the Himalayas. The highest mountain range in the world. These mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. The highest mountain will be what? Himalaya. It is too much big. Yes, it's there in the northern edge. It comes under the northern edge of our India, and the highest peak will be what? The Himalayan peak. Okay, and there we can see every time of our year we see only snow there. It is covered with the snow only. We can see only white. We can't see the mountain with the sand, or we can't see with the soil or stones. We see only the snow part covered by that mountain. Yes, because there we have all the time we get coldness there. Okay, it is covered with what, children? Snow. Which is the highest peak? Himalaya. Which is the highest mountain range? Himalaya. This is the highest. Please underline these, children, because these are the important, the fill in the blanks or important short answer in your chapter. Okay, the next one. The Himalayas extends from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Himalayan extends from where? Jammu Kashmir. It starts from where? Jammu Kashmir, and it ends in the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, in your picture they given, see here, back. Okay, it starts from where? It starts from Jammu Kashmir. The head part, it starts from here and it ends in the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, where it starts from the, we'll write it. It starts from the Jammu and Kashmir. And ends in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, in the east, forming an arch, what? Arch, like this, arch. Okay, the Himalayas are wider in a Kashmir, get narrowed towards the east, okay, it goes to the east. Wider means too much wide it is, Agallada, Maharashtra. It narrows to the east. In the northeast, these mountains are the lower in height. In the northeast, it becomes slow down. Kadme akonta hogitada height. Sand akonta hogtava. The Naga, the Garo, and the Kashi hills are a part of this range. Which are the some of the famous mountains, famous hills. Mountains different, hill is different. Okay, the mountains are bigger than hills. Now, which are the most common hills there? Naga, Garo, and Kashi. You all heard this name, Kashi. Okay, Kashi. Yes, these are the famous hills. These are the what? Hills. Yes, these are the famous hills there. Okay. Now, the Himalayan range covered the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, part of Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Sikkim, and the 7 northeastern states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. These all come under Himalayan range. It is covered these all states. Himalaya covers which all places? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. I am telling you, please, Himachal Pradesh, Himalaya, the northern mountains, and that the biggest mountain, which is that the Himalayan mountain. The Himalayan mountain covers what all the states? Which all state it covers? It covers Jammu and Kashmir. It covers Himachal Pradesh. It covers Uttarakhand, part of Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Sikkim, 7 northeastern states of Assam. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. These all come under the what? These all come under our Himalayan mountains, Himalayan ranges. These all come under that. Now, the Mount Everest. In the next one, the highest peak in the Himalaya is Mount Everest. After, in the Himalayas only, which is the highest, in the highest peak, Himalaya, that is Mount Everest. Which is that? The highest mountain, the highest mountain peak, in Himalayas. The highest mountain peak in Himalaya olaga mattu bare mountains bartav. Adro the highest peak will be what? The Mount Everest. Mount Everest bahಳ ಎತ್ತರದ. We can't even go there. Only 1 or 2% went there. Only 1 or 2% went there, because there human beings can't survive only there. They can't get oxygen also there. In the mountains Everest, they get suffocation. They get what? Oxygen also they will not get. Too much of cold is there. They can't what? They can't move from one place to another place. That much cold will be there. Okay. The highest peak will be in the Himalaya. Which is the highest peak? Mount Everest. It is 8,848 meters high and located in the Nepal. It is there in the Nepal. It is too much big. How much it is big? 8,848 meters. that will be too much. Meter, that will be too much. It is too big, and it is there in the Nepal. K2, Kanchenjunga and the Nanda Devi are some important peaks located in India, and some are there mountains. Which are those? K2, okay, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi. These are the some of the peaks. Okay, these also some of the peaks located in our India. We see so many interesting places in our India. In that, these also some of the beautiful and which are what we say precious things which we have in our India. Yes, India have so many precious things. In that, these also included. These Himalayas make our India beautiful, and we get so many things there. Yes, we get so many things. We got so many awards who all climbed there. We got so many awards to our state, our country. Yes, because of these all mountains and hills. Okay. Now, in your book, they given a picture. See children, they given a picture. It looks like that. Our Himalayan looks like that. It is always covered with a snow, white snow. The white, we can say it like a white mountains only. They are like a white mountains and white hills. They are not in the color of a stone, or it is not in the color of our soil. It is fully covered with a what? Snow. Yes? Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. The Himalayan ranges. Himalayan ranges. The Himalayan have a 3 range running parallel to each other. Some of the Himalayan ranges are there. They are, first one, Himadri or the Greater Himalayas, the Himachal or a Middle Himalayas, Shivalik Himalayas, hills or the Outer Himalayas. They have a 3 part in our Himalayas. First one is the Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and the Outer Himalaya. We have how many? 3 ranges. 3 ranges. They are, the Himalayas have a too many big, so what they did the partition in that. So the highest will be the greatest Himalaya, the middle will be the, how much? The middle height will be the Middle Himalayas, and the too much big, too much smaller and it is out from the Himalaya, that is called as the Outer Himalayas. We have how many? We have 3 ranges in the Himalayas. So what you have to do, children, please, for your further information, you want to look how the Himalayas, see how the Mount Everest is. So please go and study in the Google. You get so many pictures of the Mount Everest, Himalayas, how it covered with the snow, how they work according to the seasons, how they change according to the seasons, how sun comes there, how the rain, how winter season in the snow, how it affects to that mountains. That all things they will show in the YouTube. Please go and study only that one. Open that and study that for your further information, children. Okay. Now what you have to do, children, here we did till page number 208. You have to find the difficult words in that. 10 difficult words and write it 5 for your time. This is the homework for you, children. Please complete these all things. 10 difficult words and revise this chapter. Which all are the highest peak in the Himalayas and how many different types of hills we have in the Himalayas, and in Himalayan range which all states come under that all things study. Okay, we'll see the next part in the next class. We have so many interesting things in this chapter. We'll see it in the next class, children. Bye.